Hi everyone, today we're drawing a super cute snowman, nice and easy, step by step. Grab a pen and paper and let's get started. Let's begin with the hat, 2 curved lines either side and a straight line above and below just to draw the brim of the hat. Then we'll draw the top of the hat with some lines coming down to give it a little bit of detail. And a cute pom-pom at the top. Just below the hat, let's draw a round face with 2 curved lines either side of the face. And we'll begin the top of the scarf with a nice straight line at the bottom of our snowman's face, slightly curved. Doesn't need to be perfect. 2 curved lines either side of the scarf to make it nice and cosy. And let's draw a nice round body for our snowman, a little bit bigger than the face. Now for the carrot nose. 2 cute eyes. And a curved line for his smile. Great job, guys. Let's finish off the scarf with a little pom-pom on the end. And we'll draw 3 buttons down the centre of his tummy. Next, he needs some arms. I'm drawing 2 branches. Doesn't need to be perfect. 2 curvy lines with a couple of branches coming off. And now to colour in. I'm choosing a blue colour for the scarf, but you can choose any colour you like. This is the fun part, guys, so just take your time and enjoy colouring in. He's looking really cute, guys. Good job. Let's colour in the hat. I'm choosing a cosy green colour. You can choose any colour you like. He's starting to look really cute and cosy. Good job, guys. Just finishing off around the sides of the hat. What should we draw next, guys? Colour in his nose, nice and orange for that carrot nose. I'm colouring in the buttons brown to match his arms, but you can use any colour you'd like. And I'm just going to go over those branches just to make them look a little bit thicker so that they stand out a bit more. And let's add a couple of wavy lines just underneath the snowman, just to look like some snow settling and some snowballs coming down around him. And that's our cute snowman. Great job drawing with me today, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy drawings and try one of the winter videos next.